Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking roles and basic gear. Tank, healer, and DPS assignments matter because they control aggro and sustain. Once done, apply raid buffs and assign position markers so movement becomes predictable. Now engage the boss at a planned time while saving key cooldowns. Use mobility only after initial adds die to avoid losing position advantage. You do this to secure clean phase transitions and prevent overlapping mechanics that punish improperly stacked cooldowns or late cleanses. You now focus on the mid-phase execution. Track mechanic timers and follow interrupt priority so dangerous casts never complete. Make sure to follow the stack or spread rule the boss telegraphs, moving early waste energy and moving late costs lives. Rotate your defensive and offensive cooldowns in sync. This maximizes burst during vulnerable windows and reduces downtime. Keep comms short and precise so everyone reacts to markers immediately. This coordination, you finish by timing your biggest cooldowns for the last 20%, because that is when damage scales best and risk is acceptable. Make sure the healer saves an emergency heal and at least one player carries a revive or invulnerability for clutch saves. If the raid wipes, check one core issue first: positioning, cooldown timing, or missed interrupts, then run a focused redo. That targeted review fixes the cause quickly and prevents repeating the same avoidable mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.